Dirty Diana, Randy liked your attitude. Simon said it was over the top, but the other judges liked the attitude. And seeing your, and I quote,